Are you frustrated with slow progress? I get it. I'm Shauna Kay, female fat loss expert and author of the book Lose Your Menopause Belly. And before I give you some tips for coping with slow progress, I want to give you a little perspective. I'm sitting in the parking lot of my mom's lawyer, and I just was in signing the last papers for my mom's will because I was the executor of her will, which, by the way, is not a great or fun job. But in any case, a little backstory: my mom died a sad and premature death, and I'm really motivated to help women, especially women over 40, because I don't want anyone to suffer the way my mom did and the way people that love my mom have suffered because of her early passing. Now, my mom had a radical hysterectomy when she was quite young, and in those days I realize now that she didn't get any support, and she had a really rough time that led to other health issues later in life. And had she known some of the information that is available now and in my book, she wouldn't have suffered the way that she did, and my mom would be here today. In any case, if you are suffering or frustrated from slow progress, I want to remind you that you're still progressing. All those small, healthy efforts are so important. Now, you may think that you want that bikini belly, and trust me, I do too, but at the end of the day, it's really more about your health. And when you're taking care of your health from the inside out, the outside things will show. The scale will eventually move, those inches will drop off, and those pants will fit better. But in the meantime, as you know, you're maybe a little frustrated by slow progress, remember that the alternative. What are you going to do? If you're eating healthy and the scale's not moving, are you going to just give up on healthy eating? Or if you're doing those short burst workouts and you're feeling stronger, but the scale's not moving, are you just going to stop? Chances are the tape measure is moving. So you have to be looking for all the benefits related to your healthy changes. Some of them are not always on the scale. Some of them are, like I said, from the inside out. So when you're taking care of nutritional eating, exercising, stress reduction, sleeping as best you can, those results will come. So I just want to remind you to stay the course, because there's not really another alternative. That's it for me today. A little bit of a sad moment while I remember my mom, but like I said, I'm dedicated to helping other people so that other families don't lose their loved ones prematurely. That's it for me.